All right, guys, 2007 Chevy Tahoe 5.3, all murdered out. So we did something special on this one, something different. Let me show you what we did. Factory converter there, then wires into a single there, then 3-inch pipe goes out, and then we installed the FLOWMASTER Outlaw, as you guys can see there. Here's the part number, 15430. Boom. Then 2.5-inch tailpipe because he wanted it louder. And then we did a custom Y pipe on this thing. You guys can see there. To give it that Corvette look with the dual tips out the back. Look at that. Came out really nice, really clean. Look at that sexiness. Chevy, if you're watching, do that. There's the factory muffler that was on it. Factory tailpipe, factory resonator. We cut all that off and made it into a beast. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. All right, here we go, guys. Chevy Tahoe with Corvette setup. Leak is going to fix next, guys, so that's the tapping you're hearing. It sounds so good. Go ahead. Right at 102. Not bad at all. Got a nice idle to it too. It's clean out the side too. You see that, guys? Hell yeah. I like it. Sounds good. FLOWMASTER Outlaw. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. There's the Corvette Tahoe, we'll call it. The Cor Tahoe, yeah. We'll call it the Cor Tahoe. Here we go. Look at that. That's clean. There she goes. I love it. Hope you guys like it too.